Congratulations and welcome. You are now registered for Wealth from Workshops, where you're going to learn our system for planning, presenting and promoting highly successful live events or webinars, even if you're not competent or you are brand new to the events industry. And as you know by now, the single best way to educate and inspire more people with less effort is via one-to-many workshops, retreats, seminars, events and webinars. You see, when you're actually able to leverage your message and reach tens or hundreds or even thousands of people at a single time, not only does your impact on the world increase, so does your income and the ability to live a life of freedom and abundance that most people only actually ever dream about. Now, most people can't wait to get started, so for the next few days, I will be sending you some super valuable videos just because you're registered. So make sure you actually keep an eye out for those. Now, it's going to be a jam-packed day, complete with a 44-page manual we'll give you when you arrive. But here's just a sneak peek of some of the things that you are actually going to learn on the day. So kicking off at 9 a.m. sharp, the first thing you're going to learn is a simple 3-step process for rapidly removing any fear or reluctance to public speaking. Now, when I first got started, I was absolutely terrible at speaking. But over the past 9 years, I've been able to gain an unwavering confidence with speaking. And I'll be sharing exactly how you can do exactly the same thing. Next, you'll actually learn the 14 essential skills of the world's best presenters. In this session, you'll discover how to structure a award-winning presentation from start to end that not only captivates your audiences, but also inspires them into taking action. Now, I call this the Presenters Pro Formula. And it's been the secret to my success after creating more than 320 live events. You'll also discover how to use live events to leverage your message and credibility and profits all at the same time, so you can actually help more of your clients with way less effort. Next, you'll learn our proprietary marketing secrets for actually filling events with your ideal clients. Best of all, we'll show you how to do this on a shoestring budget. So if you've struggled in the past with getting people to actually attend your events, then you're really going to love this specific session. Next, you'll discover how to make all of your workshops actually profitable, including any of the free events that you run. You'll actually learn our proven structure for running live events and how to run successful live events, even if you're just a one-person business like a coach or a consultant. Now, the program is due to end at 6 p.m. However, if you're feeling inspired and you want to continue for a little bit longer, then I'll actually be running a secret bonus session from 6 p.m. till 7 p.m. I'm not going to tell you what we're actually going to be covering right now. So all I can say is that it's going to help you to actually have multiple results and actually get income from live events like nothing you've ever seen before. So I would actually advise that if you are planning to finish at 6 o'clock, just plan to finish at 7 o'clock and stick around for this bonus session. Now, I really look forward to seeing you at Wealth from Workshops. And until we meet again, share your light, live your love, and do whatever it takes to be your own best friend. I'll see you at the program.